Nonverbal communication. The importance of eye contact. In this presentation, we will find the importance of eye contact, history of research, first impressions, postures, and clothing. The old saying that eyes are the reflection of your inner self holds true in most cases. There are a lot of meaning to eye contact. We use our eyes as a level of communication with other people. When you look to a person's eyes while they are talking to you, you are telling them that you are giving them all the attention. The police use this as a means to detect if the person is telling the truth or not. It's very common that a person avoids a direct look to another person if there is something to hide. Detecting high-stakes liars is often the work of the FBI, and they frequently look to facial expressions, body language, and verbal indicators as signals that someone is lying. The first impression. Our eyes also reflect our sincerity, integrity, and comfort when communicating with another person, which is why having good eye contact while conversating is the indicator that the communication has gone on well. Eye contact is a form of body language which is important during communication. Our body language speaks more than words. Therefore, our eyes volumes about us and how we communicate. Clothing. Your clothes, hair, and jewelry is also part of nonverbal communication. Clothing presents an inseparable part of the human body. Not only show our appearance but also represent our interior world. We attract attention with the help of our clothes.